Welcome back guys to the Caravan channel. I'm hoping you like what we've done so far, Cara's adventure, and how we're doing in restoring her up, giving her a little revamp. Quite an old girl, 1986 Hobby Prestige 610. So far I've been doing the painting. Last video I ripped out the bathroom shower tray, that's ready for painting. Today I'm just tinkering with the fridge. I went and got some 8mm micro bore gas copper pipe. I'm just tinkering around with the fridge now, so I'll show you what I'm doing. So here we have the top of the fridge. Here's my 8mm copper that fed down the back of the fridge and into where the gas manifold is going to go. This fitting here is off the fridge itself, that sits on that fitting there. Just move the camera over slightly so you can see. So I've taken this off. I'm going to take this fitting off because that goes onto the fridge. I've taken olive off that fits in that fitting and put it onto my 8mm copper. So it did have a hose on it with the hose connector that went on there, which I don't want the hose inside. I want it to be more permanent, so that's why I'm putting the copper in. I wanted to do the hob today, but I couldn't find a fit in any of the shops, so I've got all of that off the internet. So that's going to have to wait a couple of days. So at the moment I'm just going to take this olive off here, off this fitting, and put it onto me copper. Okay, so I've got my copper pipe in place. I've got the olive on and I've got the nut on. I put some gas PTFE around the fitting, and now I'm just going to try and get this into shape and see if I can get it on into the fitting. I've had to take the sparker out. I'm going to go underneath. The original is formed in this little gap here. Other way around. And now like that. But I'm hopefully going to go underneath the sparker. There is enough room to get underneath there. Fit it in there like so. And get that on there. That needs to come around a bit more. Just need to be careful you don't go too far. I'm pushing it with that radius really on that. Don't really want to bend it anymore. It needs to come forward that way a bit more on that. I'll push it. I've got some leak detector spray as well, some gas leak detector spray I picked up, so I've managed to get that on. I don't know if I'm going to get the sparker on at that rate though. I'll have to look at that. I haven't got a copper former, so I've just manually done it. Just the PTFE just gives a bit of a leakage protection, I suppose, on the thread. It's done up. Make sure you put your PTFE on the right way. That's just it's in there on the thread. Go the opposite way. Right, put some more on. Off again. PTFE on. No, so make sure you put it on the right way, otherwise when you do the nut up it just pushes it up again. didn't realise in Screwfix that I was buying 10 packs of gas PTFE. Oh, it was just one pack, but no, turned up and it was 10. So, go around that way, thread. Smush it onto the thread. There. So pull that one out. So that's not doing like that. Will be a bit tight actually, got that on, but that's better. Good. So, let it go down there then. I'll just try something a bit better. Got some P-clips later before I put the hob, seal the hob down, get some P-clips, just tie that to there. Just sort of so it doesn't rattle around in the transit. So, that should be the fridge in place. I've got to try and get this clicker back in. Let's come in there. We'll start. Come on. No, it's not very easy. Let's go down that hole there. Something about that. Figure out how that's going to go on. I need that, but obviously. Ooh, don't put your hand on it. Don't put your hand on it when you're checking it. Hold on to the plastic. But yeah, I thought I had enough room. Can't really push that down anymore. I don't want to bend that fitting. That can't go down anymore. So, what we are doing to fix that? Possibly. Should go away in this little chain screw. Get that beyond there. I don't like modifying things, but stay in there so in there. I'm working. So, like I say, just that in like that. And now we will go, make sure that's tight, down to the manifold and put the manifold on. So we're in the manifold, just put the manifold back on because I took it off to get sizes and whatnot. New olive and fitting in there, so gas pipe, fridge, a bit of fluff, PTFE, get some PTFE on there, that'll go on there like that, do her up, it's good to go. Stop end up the top. I need another stop end for here. For now, I've just isolated it. I want to see if the hot air works. I'll get this on, and obviously the fridge on. But before I turn it on, fire them up, I'll do my leak detector spray, and yeah, see if it's all okay. But I'll get some PTFE on there first. So I've connected the bottle up, just spraying some of this leak detector spray, and what you'll get is bubbles forming. It looks good at the moment. And we'll go up to the side there. Can't see anything, so the fire should be on, so I'm going to try and power the fire up. What I do is I put some of this spray on the fire as well. Make sure they're tight, because I don't know who's been tinkering with it. So we have got a leak there, look. See that? Bubbles forming. It's always good shout to buy that, and nip that up, take it off and see what's wrong with it. I don't think there's any this end, no bubbles falling down there, so I nip that up a bit tighter. We'll see what's tight enough. I'll spray it again. Wait a minute or so. I can't see any bubbles coming out, so that's all good. Just wasn't tight enough and fitting. Glad I bought that spray now. You think you've got it tight enough, but obviously it wasn't. So now I've got the gas on, leaks buttoned up. Try the fridge, try the fire. Looking for flame down the toilet hole. Previous owner said they had it on gas, so I can't see why it wouldn't light. There we go. Literally. We are cooking on gas, literally. Good. There's that door up, she gets cold. Takes about 3 hours apparently. So, SL5002. Never used. Put the cover on properly. The other day, temperature, gauge, thermostat was hanging off. Back in place. Down here, I'm guessing one of LED. Let's have a look. Up here, this was hanging off, so I put that back in the cover. That is your settings, and here I know this works because I've got it on 12 volts. That is your fan. Turn it on. Let it run up. Different pitch. That's your settings for your blower. Let's give this a go and see what happens. So I turn that round. See the sparker down there. The LED. Turning that right round. Now what I've done, oh no, it's not still going. What I've done is I've pushed that in. It's gone out. Lift my finger off and it's no, I don't know if you can see. Oh look, a flame. Look at flame. We'll have all this tested. Peace of mind. It's nice and warm. It's starting to get warm. Obviously, this hasn't been used for a while, so maybe this only took all the gas out. Automatic setting on here. Just comes on when you need it, I suppose. Switch there is for the lights. Oh yes, warm air. Happy about that. Not sure how much gas it uses at the moment. Obviously never used it, so we'll soon see when we go away. It's a gas guzzler. Oh, happy about that. We're going to tile with this. Take this cover back off and paint that with the tiles for this. Some fireplace surround tiles. Really nice. That's good. Glad I got the gas sorted. So I hope this video has been informative of how to put in a gas line. So I'm not a registered gas fitter, so the Caravan is going to be serviced. Good job I did buy that leak detector spray. Obviously I didn't have that fitting done up quite enough, so you can see the bubbles coming out of there. Drop me a message, any comments, what I've used, what sizes are. Hit the like button and please subscribe to the channel for updates. The heating's warming up the van nicely, so I'm glad that works. I don't know why you wouldn't use it if it's in the van. It's just obviously not going to use it, it's just sat there, it's empty space really. But the fridge is lit now. I'm hoping that's going to work nicely. Just ordered me fittings from the hob, so that'll be the next point. So and then I'll get all the worktop sat down, in place, screwed in, sink screwed in, taps coming, that's just ordered. So essentially the kitchen will be done bar painting, and that's what I'm moving on to next. I've got a sprayer coming, hopefully get the job done quicker, but in the meantime I'm going to put more paper around, mask up, and carry on with the painting. In this bad weather I haven't had any leaks in, so that plumber's mate has done a good temp job. Recommend that just for a temporary fix if you get caught short. I know you might not have plumber's mate, but it's helped me. No more drips in here. So there we are. Hope you liked the video. Again, have a look at the other videos, see how we've done so far. There will be more videos of me painting the shower tray. I won't show any more of painting the rest of the van, because painting's just, well, like watching paint dry, it's boring. But I will show you the finished product when we get there. Like I say, I will show you the shower tray being painted, and installation of the tap when I get that. But yeah, leave your comments, and again please subscribe and hit me up for any info. Cheers.